beautiful winter's day in the forest. It's beautiful. Deep breath in, exhale out.
Crackers.
Crackers.
Snowing. You're supposed to smell it there.
It's windy now. Wow. So nice. Shh, listen. Shh. How can I take you serious, child? You have a strawberry hat. Keep walking. Bye, Forest. Until next time. Hello, everybody. Happy March 20th. It is Monday. I hope you're all well. I hope everything's well with you. And today here on PI is very cold. It feels like -19, something like that. It's so cold, but it's sunny and a little windy. We're all well, and I just took my daughter out to put her on the school bus, and it's freezing. I got really cold out there. The cats are here, Mr. Ziggy and Augie, and they're sitting looking out the window. Let me show you. Hello, Augie. Ziggy, Ziggy, hi Ziggy, say hello. Yep, and Augie, hi Augie, there's Augie. You guys are looking outside for crows? And this is what outside looks like today. It's windy, as you can see, a bit windy. Branches are moving up there. And sunny, but very cold. So, my plans for today are to work out around 11. I'm gonna do some folding, a little bit of laundry, and right now I'm gonna make some breakfast. I thank you for being here, and let's start the weekly vlog. Thank you. Some scrambled eggs. Let's do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Hi everyone, I'm back from my workout. I feel great. I feel terrific. I feel energetic. High five. I'm going to make a matcha drink right now, and I love matcha, so I'm going to do that with some almond milk. And I'll see you guys in a little while. I'm also going to, let's see, read a little. I haven't done some reading today, so I'll do that. Right, Siggy? Right. Let's make some matcha. Oh yeah, delicious. Cheers. Good morning, it's Tuesday and it's sunny, it's gorgeous out, it's not too cold and not windy, which is great. I hope you're all well. Today I'm waiting for the doctor's phone call to let me know my results, and I'm quite anxious, quite nervous. But let's wait and see what happens. I'm just gonna have some breakfast right now, and yeah, for now, that's it. I will update you on the phone call. Bye for now. Waiting, waiting. Here we go. Hello? Yes, this is Maria. Hello, my lovely friends. So the doctor talked to me. She's so nice and lovely. And she said that the papers, the report states that, that it's not cancer, thank God. It's just proliferation. So that means like increased cells in that area of my body, but they're gonna keep an eye on me and it's not cancerous. So, thank the Lord. I can breathe. Now, I just wanted to say I'm grateful for all your prayers, your love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means the world to me. I couldn't have done this without you. So thank you. And I'm going to put some classical music on, relax, light my candle, do artwork, and envision spring. I'm so happy right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you from my heart. I love you. And bye for now. Wednesday today. Sun is out. It's beautiful outside. Hello? Can I take your order? What is it? Mr. Oki. Hello, my lovely friends. How are you today? I hope you're all well. It is Thursday today, and it is a gloomy kind of day. There's no sun, but we are expecting a little bit of a snowstorm today and throughout the weekend. I am just creating a lovely birthday gift for my husband. His birthday is coming up in April, and I am making him a gift. I hope he likes it. I can't show you just in case. Bless you, Augie. Just in case he watches the video. But I'm creating a gift for him, and right now I'm just gonna probably have some breakfast, do some artwork. I cleaned the house, so I tidied up. I vacuumed and cleaned the washrooms and change sheets and all that stuff. It's been a busy morning, but it's all good. And so right now, I'm just probably gonna make a cup of tea and have some breakfast while my cats go crazy. So I bought a new bullet journal, the Luke Term bullet journals. I've been using them every year, and I bought one, but the bad part is that I didn't get the paper the thickness that I wanted. I didn't pay attention to the thickness, and this one's a thinner paper, but that's okay. It still works wonderful. It's blue. Put little pom-poms on the top. I bought these at the dollar store, and they have little things like that. Yeah. And I started planning it out for April, because it takes time to plan the calendars, or like the pages of, you know, different books, my workout schedule, Netflix, movies, bucket list, stuff like that. But I'm just gonna finish coloring it in. I think I can only eat half a sandwich. My appetite's gone down a bit. Oh, that's good tea. That's the Bird and Blend Nutella pancake tea. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? I haven't vlogged for a while, but since the last moment I vlogged, I went and worked out. I did some tidying up, some laundry, and yeah, the workout was terrific. I'm getting stronger each time I go. It is a lot of work. I don't know how I'm doing it, but it's a lot of work. It is a lot of work. But I'm grateful. I really am. After I work out, I feel great. The next day I feel sore, but great. So yeah, it snowed as I showed you in the morning, and it's lovely and pretty, and it's gonna snow again on Sunday. I am just taking in these last few weeks of winter. They're beautiful and pretty, And yeah, I'm gonna just embrace this moment and just give it some more love. So the cats are good. I'm just gonna make something to eat right now. And yeah, let's make some food. There we go, a lovely, healthy salad. Hello, let's have a sample of the salad. Lettuce, peppers, and broccoli. Delicious. I feel like a bunny. But it's good. Eat your greens. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, I'm here to get ready for the day. It is Sunday and I'm gonna edit and upload this video. But before I do, I'm gonna do some skincare and get ready for the day to edit and do some work and also start the new vlog for next week. So let's do this. Elixir Kenzo. Lilac, something, I like it. There we go. I'm going to go edit this vlog and thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I'm truly grateful and I'll see you in next week's vlog. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Much love.